How easy is it to measure every hole in a sheet metal part? Using FreeScan Omni, we scan the sheet metal part with 93 laser lines to capture the full geometry quickly and accurately. Activate AI feature recognition directly on the screen to start automatic feature detection. As scanning continues, the system analyzes the geometry and prepares to recognize features automatically. The AI feature will automatically detect round and square holes, providing reliable feature data for inspection. The inspection process allows you to quickly verify quality and avoid assembly issues.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.